Ever wanted to add real AI power to your lovable projects but found yourself hitting a wall? You're not alone. If you've tried connecting AI before, you probably know the feeling. Errors popping up with no explanation, threads draining fast while you're stuck in loops, and hours lost guessing what actually broke. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to skip all that frustration. We use the Lovable Prompt Generator to connect real agents you've built in Momen to your Lovable project. Before we dive in, let's take a quick moment to explain what Momen is and why you need it for this tutorial. Lovable is amazing for building front-ends fast. You can design beautiful screens in minutes. But when it comes to real AI features or backend logic, things can get messy fast. Errors pop up, credits burn away, and you often end up stuck without knowing what broke. That's where Momen comes in. Momen is a no-code full-stack web app builder that handles everything Lovable doesn't: backend workflows, databases, and most importantly, AI agents. You can visually build an AI agent in Momen, test it, and know it works before you bring it to Lovable. In short, Lovable builds the UI, Momen powers the brains behind it, and the prompt generator is a bridge that connects them. In this tutorial, we'll build an AI image generator app. You'll see how to create an AI agent in Momen, and then use the prompt generator to turn that into a Lovable-ready prompt. Here's the big picture. First, you build your AI agent in Momen. Set up your agent with the right model, inputs, and prompts for your desired function. Second, generate the Lovable prompt. Third, implement in Lovable. Paste the generated prompt into Lovable and generate your AI app. Now let's go through this step by step. First, sign up at momen.app and create a new project. You can also start with a template. In this case, we'll build a new one and call it Image Generator. Once your project is created, click the AI icon in the top menu and then Add Agent. For our image generator, we'll select the suitable model. Let's go with Gemini 2.0 image generation. Now we need to define the inputs for our agent. For image generation, we need a description and a style. So let's add two text inputs, one a description and another style. Next, we define the agent's behavior using predefined prompts. For role, we will use "You're a creative AI designer." For goals, we'll set generate a unique image by combining the user's input style and custom description. And finally, we set up our constraints. That's like the rules for our agent. And now we click Sync to save our agent configuration. Once these are done, we can quickly preview our agent on the right side. For example, a tab, an Abyssinian cat in pencil sketch style. If everything is correct, your agent should now be working. You'll see it start generating results, just like this image. Click the Data tab on top. You should see the full exchange and result of this conversation. Now, to get the agent schema, click the three-dot menu next to your agent's name and select Copy you'll see a confirmation that it's copied to your clipboard. Head over to the Lovable Prompt Generator. You find the link in the description. First, copy your project URL from your browser's address bar and paste it into the project URL field here. And next, we paste the agent schema you just copied from Momen into the agent schema field. In what kind of AI app are you building in Lovable field? What type or use case? For example, I want to build an AI image generator. Since this app doesn't need user accounts, we'll select No for user sign up and login. Now click the Generate Your Prompt button. Now there's a prompt. We click Copy to get it ready to use in Lovable. Finally, let's integrate this into Lovable. Head over to Lovable and paste the prompt you copied and wait for a few minutes. Now our app is generated. You see two input boxes, description and style, just like how we configured in Momen. And now let's try it out. I want an Abyssinian cat in pop art style. And here it is. Just like we mentioned before, to check if your AI is working, go back to Momen's AI Agent Builder and click the Data tab. You see every input and output sent from Lovable. Here, I can see the conversation we just had in Lovable and also the generated image. What we built today is a great example of how easily you can integrate AI into Lovable. But Moment's AI agents can do so much more. You can add context to provide your AI with knowledge from database or external APIs, which is super powerful for tasks like retrieval augmented generation. Momen also allows your AI agents to use tools. This includes automating tasks with action flows you built in Momen, calling APIs to interact with external services, or even having one agent trigger or communicate with another agent for more complex workflows. These advanced features open up a world of possibilities for creating sophisticated AI-powered applications within Lovable, all managed through Momen. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Let us know what you think about this tool and leave in the comments what AI apps you build next. Happy building!